Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable and use one-handed mode on Android. This will allow you to use your mobile device in one hand if you have a white screen or if you have a specific portion of your screen that is broken. The first thing you want to do is go to your settings, and you can go to settings by searching for settings in the search section of your page, or you can simply just draw down on the notification tab by the right and tap on the settings icon. This will bring you to settings. Now once on your settings page, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you're going to see additional settings. Now if you don't see additional settings, you can search in settings for one-handed mode and you'll see one-handed mode, or you can search for additional settings and you'll see additional settings. So tap on additional settings and this will bring you to this page. On this page you're going to see one-handed mode. Tap on one-handed mode. On this page, you'll be able to enable the one-handed mode. To enable the one-handed mode, toggle on one-handed mode. And you can select between 4.5 inches, 4 inches, and 3.5 inches, depending on the model of your phone. Suggestions may differ. Once you've enabled the one-handed mode, this is how you can use the one-handed mode. First, if you want to resize your phone to the left, you can swipe from the home button to the minimize button, just like this, and this will minimize it to the left. And if you want to do it to the right, the same thing, just swipe to the right, and this will minimize it to the right. And to undo the changes and get your screen to normal size, just tap on any side of the box outside and this will return your screen back to its normal size. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to enable and use one-handed mode on Android, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.